In today's fast-paced world, time is one of our most precious commodities. And when you're at work, it can feel like there's never enough of it to get everything done. Distractions like emails, text messages, and social media notifications can eat away at your time, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unproductive. But the good news is that there are strategies you can use to manage your time more effectively and accomplish more in less time. First, create an organized and clutter-free workspace. A clean and well-organized environment can significantly improve your productivity. Keep your desk free from unnecessary items and establish a system to manage documents and materials efficiently. Second, prioritize your tasks. Make a list of everything you need to do and rank them in order of importance. Focus on the most critical tasks first and avoid getting sidetracked by less urgent ones. Third, use time blocking to your advantage. Set aside specific blocks of time for certain tasks and prevent distractions from interfering. Utilize a timer to stay on track and avoid deviating from the task at hand. Fourth, set realistic goals for yourself. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This approach not only makes the workload seem less daunting but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each milestone. Fifth, remember to take regular breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but short breaks can actually boost your productivity by allowing your brain to recharge. Use your breaks to stretch, take a walk, or simply relax. Sixth, leverage technology to your advantage. There is a wide range of productivity apps and tools available that can help you manage your time more effectively. Explore options such as calendars, to-do lists, and project management software. Lastly, take time to reflect on your accomplishments. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge your achievements. This positive reinforcement can serve as motivation to maintain your productivity and strive for even greater success. By implementing these time management strategies, you can increase your productivity, reduce stress levels, and achieve a better work-life balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and advice on Skillshare TV.